listen, there's a lot of fucking scammers out there these days, and you just gotta be careful, man. Everybody's trying to get rich quick, and you know what? They're going on courses. They're thinking, I want to run a business. I want to sell something. What's the easiest thing to do? All right, let me target coaches and consultants. They don't have a backstory like ours, where we were, we've been in fitness our whole lives. We were PTs for years. We grinded to go online, and we just want to make it easier for PTs to transition to being full-time online coaches, because we had to deal with a lot of those scammers and scumbags that didn't really give a fuck about us too. So, a lot of these they don't have that backstory. They're just random. So don't get caught in the glitz and the glamours, the flipping cars and the fancy shit that they're showing off just to get you on board. Like, listen to your heart, listen to that real shit, man, and go with who's right. Because at the end of the day, it's your money, and if you throw it down the drain working with someone that don't give a toss about you, then you're the one that's gonna have to pay for it. All right, cool. We did a podcast episode on picking the right mentor. Link is in my bio. Go watch it.